Okay, I like cooking, but it's really hard to feed myself while cooking. This is a potato salad, so there's potatoes boiling in there, and bacon rashers of bacon cut up in slices. Uh, Put peas, eggs, tomatoes, mustards, pickles, mayonnaise, and some herbs I picked from the garden. And there's spring onion, some hot chili. Um, Make sure you cook the bacon well. You know that's not enough. You want it sort of crunchy. Buy those little tomatoes and cut them in half. You probably need a sharp knife for that. So the bacon's almost cooked there. Um, all of the vegetables and herbs. I've got dandelions in there. I've got sorrel in there. I've got basil in there. Um, can't recall what else. Anyhow, I'm boiling the potatoes, and I'll chuck the eggs in there as well. Then I scoop the eggs out with a spoon, and I put them under cold water so I can peel them. Then I um, get the tomatoes ready, and then I have to drain the potatoes, and then we just drain them in the pan, and then just split them into another bowl, and then I add the bacon to it, and you leave all the bacon fat that's with it, and you let it soak into the potatoes for a short while. Um, just let it sit, and all potato absorb all the oil. Then you start adding all of the other stuff, the tomatoes, um, the herbs, the eggs, the mustard, um, the mayonnaise, hot chili, the black pepper. That's why I took that photograph to remember about the black pepper. Then I get it all. It's all done. When it's all done, there's the eggs. Eggs weren't in the previous one, I think. I actually haven't even put the greens on yet. So here I am. I'm putting on all of the greens. I cook the peas really quickly. Then I chuck the peas in as well. Um, then I get it all. I empty it all back into the big pot that I originally boiled the potatoes in. I chuck it all in there. I put the lid on top, uh, and then I just shake it around as much as I can. Um, I'm quite a few shakes, and there you are. So presto, you've got the thing that's already mixed, and you can mix it again a bit more for a big spoon, and then you just serve it out, and it's yummy.